It is hair time. Reed got me the Dyson hair dryer for my birthday, and it has completely changed the way I can do my hair in the morning. So I wanted to share a comparison of my old hair dryer versus my Dyson, and also kind of talk about the products I put in my hair, all that jazz. Shampoo and conditioner, I use Kenra Restorative. It kind of smells like lemongrass, it's really good. Then every other shower, probably like 2 to 3 times a week, I use the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner and the hair perfector. All of these honestly really make a difference if you use heat on your hair or if you get it colored or anything. Like, these are scientifically backed to restore bonds and breaks in your hair. It hydrates and is really good. It's a little pricey, but honestly it's worth it. And I do this L'Oreal Total Repair Mask. I think it says 3 minutes, but I honestly leave it in for like 5 to 10. That's between your shampoo and conditioner. So post shower, I now put in this L'Oreal Dream Lengths No Haircut Cream. And I just put like a little bit, because I feel like my hair honestly gets really oily when I use too many products. So then I think literally everyone I know uses this. It's the It's 10 Miracle Leave-In product. It does like literally 10 things. Repairs dry and damaged hair, adds shine, detangles, control frizz, seals and protects hair colors, prevents split ends, creates silkiness, stops hair breakage, enhances natural body, and thermal protectors. So for you guys, I guess I'm gonna rock the middle part to be able to show you kind of how half my hair dries with my old hair dryer and how half of it dries with my Dyson hair. This is about as middle as we're gonna get. Oh, also, I should have done this sooner, but this hairbrush is my life. It's really big. Smaller versions, I just have like thick curly hair, so I need this. I used to use the wet brush before, and I will never ever use a wet brush again, period, after using this brush. It's called the finger brush. So it comes with one head that you can add on, but I also got another head that's like better for straightening your hair and also a diffuser. Well, Reed got it for me. I love him so much. The first thing that impresses me about this hair dryer is that you have like your speed, you have your little bit of shot of cool. Your heat has 3 levels, and then your fan also has 3 levels. You can turn down the heat on your hair dryer, which really helps you reduce the amount of heat that you put on your hair, and you can also reduce the power of it the same way. Sounds like the future. That's why I hate these hair dryers. So this is my old hair dryer. It used to do a good job, but I used to always have to follow my hair dryer with another heat product, like a flat iron or a curling iron. With my Dyson, I don't need to do anything after I'm set for the day. So that's why I will never pick up one of these again. Except for you guys. I feel like I get overheat when I use regular hair dryers, whereas like the Dyson, I thought it was just because it's quicker, but no, this is like a lot of heat. As a comparison, you can see my hair is like a lot more straight. This is like super kind of like frizzy. I can tell that my root is still really damp, whereas here, like, I was able to fully dry my root so easily. My arm already hurts. I haven't had to like blow my hair this long. And see, like, it can never get the root. It's so hard to get with this hair dryer. So it's dry, it's completely dry at this point, but it just has that curl that no matter how many times I blow dry it, it's just gonna not be perfect. The Dyson, I mean, obviously I've waited the same amount of time to do, but watch. I think because this hair dryer has such a smaller like body to it that it can get the back of your head better. You're not like having to pull your arm away and like angle it as much. I was able to literally get it perfectly straight. I feel like there is more shine to it as well. And I got a nice curl at the end compared to the frizz. It's so real. The difference is incredible. I'm gonna even it out with the Dyson on this side so I can go out in public and look normal, and then I'll show you what products I use after. Lastly, put in some Sebastian black oil, and I put like seriously like itty bitty tiny bit in my ends. It helps with frizz, but also heat and nourishing your split ends and shine. I can't even believe I can get it this straight with just a hair dryer. Even after living in the South and it being so humid in Nashville, after the Dyson, when I go outside with my hair, it does not get super frizzy like it used to. It loses some of the poker straightness, which is just my hair in general. My hair dries literally in 15 minutes, I would say, whereas with my other hair dryer, it would probably take me to a half hour to dry. So the Dyson does a good job of just reducing the amount of heat you use on your hair, on top of it being less hot than a typical hair dryer. Honestly, I give it a 15 out of 10. I would recommend it to anyone, especially if in the morning you feel like you are spending too much time on your hair. It will cut your time in half, make you look like you just walked out of a hair salon. I appreciate you watching. I have some fun stuff up my sleeve, so stay tuned and hope that I can make a difference in your morning routines.